Welcome back to the next video. I've got I did an unboxing of this earlier. This is a PlayGo, I think it did make, is of this toy washing machine. So I'm just gonna put batteries in now, so I'm gonna test it out and use it as a video. So obviously that's the on and off there. That's the wins, I think. Oh, wash. Oh yeah, that's the wash. That second button. That's the wins. And that's the spin. So I'll turn it on. And then that's the wash. Right, that's the wash done. This is the wins, I think. There's that green to make it spin. That must be the wins. What's that one? That must be the wins, that one. Right, that's a bit. Let me have a look at this, because I don't know. Looking at these symbols, I think they've buggered it up. Oh yeah, and you've got your drawer there. And when you open the door, if you see, when you open the door, that's a bit of paper, that, by the way. So that comes out, that's paper. So let's see what this is like with that out. Just bear with me, because I'm suffering with hay fever at the minute. There we go. It's one of those days where it's boiling outside. I'm suffering with hay fever. I need to crank up a video anyway. So yeah, you can see the drum on that now. So I'll go at it again. That's a fail. That's the wash. But you call that the intermediate spin. And then this is the wings. Wings and spin, I think this next one is. I don't understand it. They might have rewired this up wrong. Let's see what this does because I'm a bit confused. I'm a bit confused with that. Yeah, I do think they've rewired this up wrong. But just, oh, there's a bit of sticker there. Yeah, I do think they've rewired this up wrong. But I don't know. Well, it works anyway, so that's the main thing. You obviously get batteries there. It takes AA batteries. You've got like the drawer here that you get your door like that, and then you also get one of these like to put in it because I don't think there's room to put normal clothes in that, so you put that in. So you put that in, as you can see. You can either have it like that or an empty wash. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this. I think just let me get on my Amazon, then I can read the description, because I will put the description in the down below where you can get this. Just let me see on my Amazon account what the actual product's called again, so you can find it. Just bear with me. Yeah, it's called the PlayGo 46412 set. Iron and washing machine with light and soap sound. Oh, just bear with me. I'll show you the iron that you get with it. I've not put batteries in it because this is more obsessed with that than the iron. But yeah, just bear with me. I'll show you the iron. Yeah, as you can see, this is the iron here. It does take batteries, but obviously I've not put any batteries in because I'm not bothered about it. So yeah, it takes AA batteries still. There's a speaker there, and I think there's a speaker on the washer as well. I don't know if it's underneath. Yeah, I don't know where the speaker is on this, but oh yeah, it might be that might be the speaker down there below. Don't know if you can see there. So yeah, this is the PlayGo set. I'll put the link in the description down below where you can get this. So you've got your ironing board, you've got your washing machine. I paid about £36 for these in total, but yeah, what I like about this washing machine is that you've got pretend water in it, as you can see there. Yeah, so I think that's pretty cool because not many toy washing machines get those sort of pretend water in them, because how it rotates, I don't know if you can see. I'll try and show you on video. As you can see, when that drum rotates like that, this door also rotates, so the water can the water's all sealed in and everything, so it can't come out. But as you can see, that goes round, so that's how it functions for the water to go round. So as the drum rotates, that it like it's got like little teeth in that, so it's all connected to each other. So yeah, I'm impressed with this toy washing machine. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description down below so you can see where you can get this. Sorry about my hanky there. You don't want to see that. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd much appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.